Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 Explorer.exe not starting issue. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Click Run New Task, type Explorer.exe. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT, click and expand current version, click and expand WinLogon. If any D-word shell, simple delete and exit Registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.